Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just had these delivered yesterday. Just take you through them. So let's get this set up, shall we? Sorry about that. Yeah, as you can see, I've got these are my Dahlias. A lot of these will be going in on my allotment, so I'm sowing them now, so give them a really head start. Most is sow February, but I've got a heated greenhouse, so I can sow them anytime I want, really. Yeah, there's half-hardy perennial, half-hardy perennial. Yeah, Figaro, they look really nice. Pom-poms, I've grown them before. Really pleased with how they turn out. So they're from like name suppliers, Mr. Fothergill's and Johnson's. And I've got these from Premier Seeds. And Unwin's Dwarf Mix and Cactus, I like them. I like both as well, so I'm going to split this into 4. Because you normally get a really good germination rate on these, so that'll be enough to probably grow 50 in each one, just to get them going, and then I can pop them on into 9cm pots and fill out this total full bench. So first of all, let's get the name tags made and write them out. I've got these permanent markers I'm really pleased with. I had a big one before, a big marker, it had a massive tip on it and you couldn't really do anything with this one. And it dries virtually instantly, so I'll get these made and then we'll get some seeds sown, yeah? Right, that's my name tags all done now. So Cactus mixed in that one, Dwarf mix there, Figaro there, and Pom-Pom there. Right, let's get these open, shall we? Let's look what they're like inside. Just show you what it says about growing instructions. There we go. Oh, they also come with tags on the back there, which I didn't know about. But yeah, I'll get these sown now. Let's get them open, shall we? These are really good. Nice and sharp. These are my little pruning shears. Just for deadheading, things like that, taking cuttings. So how many seeds does it say? Let's have a look. It says 40 seeds. So all these, and they are the Figaro ones. As you can see, really big seeds. Really big seeds. So what you need to do, spread them out the best you can, not too close together, like so. Just move them out if you think they're too close, you don't want them touching really. And then it says so thinly covered with 0.5 centimetre, half a centimetre of compost. Do that at the end. But yeah, that's the first one, some Figaro. Let's have a look, see how many seeds in this one here, this Mr. Fothergill's. There's 50 seeds in this one. Let's see what these are like. These are for the Pom-Pom varieties. Hold on that the way, time being. Yeah, I noticed years ago I used to get seeds with like 300-400 seeds in it, just used to go to waste. I think they've realised that these days. Yeah. These are the Pom-Pom varieties, so I get these basically the same seeds. Just get these spread out nicely. Oh, just one, top 2, sorry. One there, get that one picked up. Waste not want that. I'll just get on with the rest and then come back to it at the end. Saying that, I will get these. Look, I've got these from Premier Seeds. I've got Cactus mix 240 seeds and Dahlia Unwin's Dwarf mix 300 seeds. Right, as you've probably realised, I don't need to sow that many, so I'll just sow like 20%, 30% of these. 20% of these should be enough. So yeah, I'll just get them sown and then we'll get. Right, that's those sown. The Unwin's Dwarf mix and the Cactus Dahlia mix. So that's them all sown now. It's 4 different varieties. All I need to do now is cover them with a little bit of compost over the top, to put them to one side. You can find a little bit lying about. I decided to cover them. It says cover them a little bit of compost, but I'm going to use a bit of a vermiculite because I have actually run out of compost now. I'm not ordering any more. just after Christmas. So this is just as good. The Miculite, nice and even. Nearly there now. And then all we need to do is give this a water in. And I should put that in the heater propagator then. So yeah, nicely covered there. Just get my little hose, little plastic watering can. I love this for inside the greenhouse. Just a little bit of water on the top, just wet the vermiculite. The branches there, don't want that in. Bit of plastic. Right, once I've watered it, I shall then now put it over here, if you can see, over there, into my tray, like so. Water it from the bottom, wait till that's fully dampened, and then that will go in my heater propagator, and these will germinate really quickly. You'll be quite surprised how quickly they germinate. So if you've got any questions on my how to sow dahlias, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe folks. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good Christmas everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye.